Greetings one, greetings all. We're in the Flintshire town of Talacre, and with me today is a very special guest, Ian. Ian, that's your phone.
Sorry everyone. Hi Phil.
So Ian, here we are on the beach of Talacre, and what a fantastic little place it is. Any history around here, do you think?
Well, there is some history actually, Peter. There's plenty of history. Did you know, in fact, in World War II it was used as a aircraft training ground?
I didn't know that.
It was. It was used for target practice in aircraft. Target little things that were pulled around with other little things on the beach, because it's only a little beach. And did you know that Paul O'Grady often uses this as a little anecdote in his stories on television?
I didn't know that, but I'll tell you what's around the corner there. I was quite excited when I saw it. It's a lighthouse.
A lighthouse?
Yes, let's go and explore that.
Yes, let's.
Well, there's a first floor possibly.
Definitely a first floor.
Definitely first floor. Little cupboard underneath the stairs. The stairs go round and round. Definitely something is happening here. This is going to be a tourist attraction and a half, I'm sure. Ian, come and join me. Hello. You're tall. Did you know that this lighthouse was actually haunted?
Haunted?
Yes, haunted by a ghost.
No way!
Yes, Wayne. A ghost is often seen right at the very top, dressed in old lighthouse keeper gear.
As opposed to new lighthouse keeper gear.
Well, it's an old lighthouse which is now new, so possibly in future people will see people in modern gear.
What? Upstairs?
Upstairs at the top. Whew. Scary.
Very.
I think we should exit now, don't you?
Yes, quickly.
Ian, I'm a little bit concerned. There's no health and safety signs around. How wrong is that? Fundamentally wrong.
I shall be reporting it to Her Majesty's office immediately on our return.
Good. I think we should continue. We're not even at the top yet.
No, it's much further for me, you understand.
Miles and miles ahead to go. Rain may pour and wind may blow. Higher mountains you will climb. Go on, taking one step at a time. Though you're weary body ache, and though you ask what it will take, and though your head keeps saying no, the more you tread, the more you grow, the more you know. Oh, breathe it out and breathe it in, and don't give in. Don't give in, yeah. Miles and miles you will have been,
picked it up on the Isle of Man. Took the ferry back to Liverpool, just looking for you know who. You disappear every time a flag unfurls. I'll just keep searching all around the world, all around the world, all around the world. I chased your skirt along the Champs-Elysees. I saw you Sarah down in Old Bombay. Lost your bikini while we're diving for pearls. I'll just keep searching all